Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, first of all, my name is Memahamkan bin Alimuddin and my matrix number is 09DEE21F1026.
Hai, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Khairul Hakimi bin Muhammad Khairul Izham yang bernombor matrik 09DEE21F1029.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Zulkifli and I'm from DEE1B. My matric number is 09DE21F1032. Our topic for presentation 2 is vector and scalar. Next is introduction. A quantity possessing both magnitude and direction represented by an arrow, the direction of which indicates the direction of the quantity and the length of which is proportional to the magnitude. We can represent vectors in our games to determine how to move entities in relation to each other.
Formula for cross product. The cross product of the vector A equal to A1, A2, A3 and B equal to B1, B2, B3 is defined as the resulting vector of the determinant below. We need to arrange the following equation according to the arrangement method set using the specific symbol that is I, J, K. Arrange the equation in form of rows. For example, A multiply B equal to I, J, K and arrange A1, A2, A3, also B1, B2, B3 by rows. After that, we got A2, B3 minus A3, B2, I minus A1, B3 minus A3, B1, J plus A1, B2 minus A2, B1, K and we got I minus J plus K.
Application of vector in selected area. Vectors are used in engineering mechanics to represent quantities that have both a magnitude and a direction. Many engineering quantities such as force, displacement, velocities, and acceleration will need to be represented as vectors for analysis.
For the first question is, find the cross product A multiply B. A equal J plus 7K, B equal 2I minus J plus 4K. The solution is A multiply B equal to I, J, K and arrange it by rows. And we got I, J, K, 0, 1, 7, 2, negative 1, 4 by using matrix method to determinant and get the equation. For example, to get equation I, we use column J and K to get equation for I. The first row we got 1, 7 and second row is negative 1, 4. It's the same way to get J and K equation. After that, we got 0, 7 for the first row and 2, 4 for the second row for J. And for K, we got 0, 1 for first row and 2, negative 1 for the second row. And we got 1 multiply 4 minus 7 multiply negative 1 I minus 0 multiply 4 minus 7 multiply 2j plus 0 multiply negative 1 minus 1 multiply 2k. After that, we got 4 plus 7i plus 14j plus 2k. And the final answer is 11i plus 14j minus 2k.
Based on the diagram, find the area parallelogram. Given A equal modulus BC times BA, BC equal 331 and BA equal 221. And the solution is BC times BA. Arrange the following equations according to arrangement method set using specific manipulation IJK. Arrange the following equation in the form of rows. For example, the first row we can insert the BC equation, that is 331, and the second row we can insert the BA equation, that is 221, to facilitate the search for a solution to this equation. Next is, we should find the equation by using the method in finding the value of the determinant of the matrix in equation I. So, what should we do? We can use column J and K to obtain the equation of the value in the form of a matrix determinant search method for equation I. First row is 31 and the second row is 21. As soon as we finish finding the value, we must multiply that value in form of a cross multiplication. In addition, we can also use the same method in finding the equation J. So, what we need to do is use the column I and K to obtain the equation of the value in the form of a matrix determinant search method for equation J. First row is we can insert 31 and the second row is we can insert 21. After finish finding the value, don't forget to multiply that value in the form of a cross multiplication. Moreover, the same thing is also in finding the equation K by using the method as I described earlier. So the same thing to use column I and J to obtain the equation of the value in the form of a matrix determinant search method for equation K. First row is we can insert 32 and the second row is we can insert 32. After finish finding the value, don't forget to multiply that value in the form of cross multiplication. Once the multiplication is complete, using the crossover multiplication method, we will get BC times BA equal bracket 3 negative 2i minus bracket 3 negative 2j plus bracket 6 negative 6k, and we got BC times BA equal I negative j. A equal modulus BC times BA equal square root 1 square minus negative 1 square, and we got square root 1 plus 1. Then the final answer is square root 2u square. U is symbolized for units.
Next is conclusions. Vectors is very important in our daily lives and in engineering. So, as we know that vectors are used in engineering mechanics to represent quantities that have both a magnitude and a direction. Many engineering quantities such as forces, displacement, velocities, and accelerations will need to be represented as vectors for analysis.
That's all from us. Thank you.